Okay friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to check how many subscriber you get from a video or a shorts. Okay, the same method, there is no change. Okay, open your YouTube Studio application, then you can go to content area, then you can select videos or shorts. In this video I'm selecting short. You can see here, and this short is around 8,000 people are watched. Okay, so open analytics, then you can see your options here, views, then just slide, then you can see subscribers. So in this way you can identify how much subscriber you got from this video. Okay, and the subscribers total days, okay, since published. So that's guys, in this way you can easily identify which video give you more subscribers or less subscribers or that kind of analytics. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.